All right, moving right along. I'm going to do number 6, the L bracket, which is on page 3-33. So this one, to me, this one doesn't scare me as much as number 5 did. So and also it says dimensions are in inches. So I'm going to new English standard inches, and then I'm going to go to create. I'm going to go to start 2D sketch. I'm going to click this XY plane. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create this L shape of the kind of the front, kind of the front view of it is a big L shape. So I'm going to start here. I'm just going to kind of go over, just kind of draw like a random L shape. I'm not worried about the dimensions. Go up a little bit, make sure it's straight. Go over, straight down. Okay, so now I'm gonna dimension it so that this bottom leg here is 4.5. It's gonna stretch me way out. There it goes. So there's that, and then this thing is 2.5 here. And it went kind of wild and crazy. All right, so then let's see. This is 0.75. That's 0.75. And then from here to here is 0.75. All right, so there's our L shape. I'm gonna finish the sketch. Hit the home button here to get it all in my view. I'm gonna extrude, go back and flip that bad boy. And that's gonna be 3. Hit OK. All right, so now I got some choices of which do I want to do next. So I think I'm gonna go to my start 2D sketch on this surface here. I'm gonna create this little rectangular piece. Just kind of go here and throw it way out of the way. It can overhang there. So this dimension is, actually, yeah. Let me do that from here. I really did need that to be there. So that I need that to be 0. Right, and then from here to here is 1.5, 1.5. And then from the sides, this is 2 here. From here to here is 2. And then from here to the bottom edge is 0.5. All right, so there's that. And then if you look down here, it's fully constrained. So I don't need to add any more dimensions to it. I'm gonna go finish sketch. I'm gonna extrude, cut, and all the way through, and then hit OK. And then the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create the whole feature. Not the whole feature, but the whole feature. So I'm gonna go to 2D sketch, click on this surface here. Let me bring it over in the middle. Click on circle. And then I'm just gonna draw a random circle here. And so that diameter is 0.75. 0.75. And then the dimension from the center to the bottom looks like 1.5. And then from the center to this front, or this edge over here, what does that say? Oh my goodness. Is that 2. Oh wait, I take that back. That one is going to be, oh, it's 1.5. It's 1.5 there. Oh, 2 point, what is that? I can't read that. 2.57. Let's just go with that. It's 2.57. Yeah, when you're old, your eyes like, what? What is that? Oh, anyway. I'm assuming that's 2.57. That's a weird number, but we'll go with that. Yeah, finish sketch. And then we're gonna extrude that hole. We're gonna cut. We're gonna go all the way through. Hit OK. So then all I need to do is just do this little cut here on the side. So that's one, and that's one. I think what I can do is I can probably cheat here. So if I use the chamfer, right, and then my distance is going to be 1. And if I click this edge here, boom. Do you see that? Hit apply. There we go. Yeah, there it is. All right. So, and then again, I like changing colors. Light red. Bam. Okay, so yeah, that's that part. I'm gonna go to File. I'm gonna go to Save. I'm gonna go to Name. I'm gonna name this L Bracket. L Brackets. Wait, I like capital letters. I know. L. Come on now, capitals. L Bracket. There. Save it. There it is. All right. It's even got some shiny stuff over here. I like it. All right, there we go. All right, peace out.